Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin forecast. This will be as of 8th of February of 2025, a very special day for me, and I really hope that it will be a special day for you as well. So let me make myself smaller and let's begin with the forecast. It seems really nice as I'm seeing because I made some I updated the drivers. I didn't know that you had to update the Creative Studio from NVIDIA. So now that I have, I really feel that everything is different. But anyway, guys, so let's begin with the forecast. As we have said, we are still stuck on level 38.2, even though it broke upwards once. It got again, it got down again. So now it's still stuck on this level. Why do we say that is that it is still on this level? Because it hasn't touched any other price level, and that was the last level. That was the last price level that it touched. So that's why we are saying that it is stuck there. So anyway, we should make a fix. I don't think so. Maybe this won't happen because it is trying to go down. So let's just consider that the new path, even though it's taking a lot of time and it even will take today and tomorrow to finish this movement, I feel, because there's not much volume, there's not much people doing transactions right now. But you have seen that sometimes, even in weekends, the market goes crazy. So just saying, you always need to be careful and you have to be watching the market. I I would like to say at all times, but I mean, it's important to be looking at it at least, let's say each hour at least. So in a day, you should be looking at it at least like 16 or 18 times because you need to be aware of what's happening in the market. It's not that you will control where it's going with your mind or with how many times you watch where it's going, but because you need to be aware of what's happening in the market. And as I am trading in a time frame of H1, then I know that I need to be careful of having the discipline to understand where should I be entering a new trade or where I should be closing one that I have already started. So it's very important to know the why, but it's more important to know the when. So be mindful about that and be careful to not get in a trap in which you can get out unless you lose a lot of money. So just generic advice. Remember that if you really want personal advice, you need to be in contact with me, and you need to pay your membership to be a part of the family because that's the only way in which I give mentoring. Okay, so if you're really interested, you can enter this page, this web page. Where's the web page that is just coming here? You can enter there, and you will see all of my business that I'm trying to start. Okay, so okay, now that we have talked about what happened, let's talk about the forecast. What are we expecting to do? Remember that we are following a downtrend. Okay, so we should be expecting for this to continue the downtrend, even though it's taking a lot of time to make the movements. Okay, doesn't matter because at some point it will break. Doesn't matter if it's up or if it's down, it will break, and then we will follow. But the important thing right now is, as I was saying, we are still watching signs of downtrend. So we will continue to play in a bearish market. and we will continue to hope that this go even lowest than it has. Okay, so our forecast will be that this will go even further down, and I mean, I'm not hoping that this will happen today. Maybe it will happen until Monday, but this is what we are expecting. Maybe at this time we will see the price go up again to reach again the level 38.2. But remember that doesn't matter that it does that because it won't continue to go up. It just testing the resistance to then let it drop. And we are expecting as of the next week to reach at least level 0. Okay, at least remember that this is our lowest price that we have had in the last 2 months, so maybe we could break this level even, because if that's the case then we will have to start again from all these analysis that we have been making from the past month. So just saying, we already need to make a new uh, clean board for this, right? Or something like that. I am really not that how to call it. I'm not that I don't know how to call it, but the thing is that remember that we are still on weekends. So remember that in weekend we have generally low liquidity or low volumes. Okay, so just mind that. And we are still expecting for this to continue dropping. Maybe, as I said, maybe it will try to break the level 0 and it will go even deeper. Okay. So we will be watching this. We are observant of the market, and remember that if you want to learn how this works and how you can make this strategy to work to your benefit, don't be you are more than welcome to send me a message, to ask me in the comments, to send me an email, to send me a message in WhatsApp as you like, because I really want to explain this strategy to more people, because the more people we are using this strategy, the better it will become for all of us to become profitable with this strategy. Because I really believe that the the wisdom is between a group of people, not just one. So that's also an invitation for you if you really are interested in Bitcoin in this market and you want to learn about it and how to commerce with it. You are also more than welcome to join us in this journey, because we are trying to reset the economy with cryptocurrencies and with entrepreneurial projects and with passive income and revenue streams. So yeah, we are doing a lot and we have a lot to do, but the most important thing is that we have a lot of things to do for anyone. So if you are interested, you're more than welcome to join me in this path and in this project. So that will be all for today. I really hope that you have enjoyed this. I really hope that this is helpful for you. And remember to leave a like, to leave a comment down below if you have any opinion that you want to share about it. I will be happy to answer you, especially if you have been making trades with my strategy. It will be awesome to know if you are starting to get profits with, if you have started to get trades with profit. That will be amazing to know. Okay, but anyway, guys, until the next one, have a great day, and I love you as always. Have a good one, and I always wish that you have profitable trades and that you can build your empire through trading. Okay, so anyway, thank you, and we'll be seeing each other on the next one. Bye, guys. Love you always. Bye.